While everyone chases the usual suspects, smart investors are quietly positioning for the next wave of explosive growth. What if I told you there are overlooked opportunities right now, trading for under $1, with the potential to skyrocket in 2026? We're diving deep into 7 such companies, uncovering their hidden catalysts and why they could be game changers. Stick around until the very end, because we'll put all the key financial data side by side, giving you a comprehensive overview you won't find anywhere else. First up, we're looking at Kosmos Energy Limited, ticker KOS, an independent oil and gas powerhouse focusing on deep-water Atlantic margin regions like Ghana and Equatorial Guinea. While Bernstein recently adjusted its price target to 80 cents, reiterating a market perform rating due to short-term oil volatility, the long-term outlook remains strong, suggesting a potential undervaluation. Kosmos is accelerating operational momentum, evidenced by the successful drilling of the second Jubilee producer well in Ghana, adding over 10,000 barrels of oil per day and boosting gross Jubilee output to nearly 70,000 barrels of oil per day. License extensions for Jubilee and 10 oil fields until 2040 are massive, supporting higher 2P reserves and up to 20 additional wells. The GTALNG project hit nameplate capacity in December 2025, with cargo lifting set to nearly double in 2026, promising a significant revenue boost. Despite a Q3 2025 revenue miss and negative EPS, the company slashed operating expenses by 39% quarter-over-quarter and proactively managed debt, securing a $250 million term loan from Shell. These strategic moves, coupled with growing production, position KOS as an intriguing entry point despite past underperformance. Next on our radar is Blink Charging Company, ticker BLNK, a leading electric vehicle charging infrastructure provider. Despite recent stock volatility and revenue misses, Blink is executing a transformative Blink Forward initiative, pivoting from in-house manufacturing to higher-margin service revenue. This strategy has yielded remarkable results. A staggering 87% sequential reduction in cash burn to just $2.2 million in Q3 2025, the lowest in over 3 years, alongside $13 million in annualized operating expense reductions. Service revenue surged 36% year-over-year, with DC fast charger revenue from Blink-owned sites soaring over 300%. The company secured a strategic Sourcewell contract through 2029, opening doors to over 50,000 government, education, and nonprofit agencies. While product revenues declined, the focus on recurring service streams, coupled with an embrace of emerging payment technologies like cryptocurrency, positions Blink for sustainable growth. CEO Michael Battaglia's recent share purchase further signals confidence, suggesting BLNK could be a strong turnaround story. Diving into the biotech sector, we find Sangamo Therapeutics, Incorporated, ticker SGMO, a clinical-stage genomic medicine company with proprietary zinc finger technology. Despite a 64% stock decline over the past year and precarious financials, Sangamo is at a critical inflection point due to its promising Fabry disease gene therapy. The company initiated a rolling biologics license application submission to the FDA in December 2025, targeting accelerated approval, with full filing expected in Q2 2026. Supported by positive data from the STAR study showing kidney function stabilization, ST920 holds orphan drug, fast track, and RMAT designations. Beyond Fabry, programs in chronic neuropathic pain and prion disease are advancing. While Q3 2025 earnings missed estimates and the cash runway extends only into late Q3 2025, the company is actively seeking a commercialization partner for ST920. This high-risk, high-reward play hinges on successful regulatory approval and strategic partnerships, offering immense upside if executed. Our fourth stock is Oncolytics Biotech Inc., ticker ONCY, a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on PallarioRep, an immune oncolytic virus platform targeting solid tumors. Oncolytics has gained significant traction with 2 fast-track designations from the FDA, one for pancreatic cancer and a recent one in February 2026 for PallarioRep in combination therapy for second-line KRAS mutant microsatellite stable metastatic colorectal cancer. Compelling clinical data showed a 33% objective response rate and significantly outperforming progression-free and overall survival rates compared to historical benchmarks. A controlled clinical study for mCRC, is set to begin in March 2026, with interim data expected by year-end. Furthermore, updated goblet cohort 4 data revealed strong activity in third-line metastatic squamous cell anal carcinoma, with the company eyeing a Type C meeting with the FDA for a registration study. Corporate restructuring to transition to a U.S. domestic issuer status and an extended patent application further strengthen its position, making Oncolytics Biotech a potential explosive play in oncology. Next, we turn to Immunic, Incorporated, ticker IMUX, a biotech developing selective oral immunology therapies for chronic inflammatory and autoimmune diseases like multiple sclerosis. Immunic is rapidly advancing its lead asset, vidofludimus calcium. Critically, enrollment is complete for its twin Phase 3 ENSURE-1 and ENSURE-2 trials in relapsing MS, with top-line data anticipated by the end of 2026, a major catalyst. Long-term, Phase 2, emphasis. Data confirmed durable disability protection, with over 92% of patients free of 24-week confirmed disability worsening after 5.5 years, demonstrating a favorable safety profile. Recent Phase 2 Caliper data in progressive MS also showed statistically significant reductions in disability worsening and MRI improvements, suggesting neuroprotective and antiviral effects. A U.S. patent allowance extending protection into 2041 further de-risks the asset. Despite cash runway concerns, strong Q3 2025 EPS beat and an average analyst price target of $7.40 highlight IMUX's profound potential for investors seeking high-impact biotech plays. Our penultimate pick is Werewolf Therapeutics, Incorporated, ticker HOWL, a clinical-stage oncology company leveraging its predator and inducer platforms to develop tumor-activated immunotherapies. Werewolf is making significant clinical strides with WTX-124, a conditionally activated IL-2 indukin therapy. It recently received fast-track designation from the FDA for metastatic cutaneous melanoma, indicating its potential to address an urgent unmet need. Early Phase 1b data for WTX-124 showed a promising 30% overall response rate as a monotherapy in post-immunotherapy melanoma patients, leading to FDA acceptance of 18 milligrams as the recommended dose for a monotherapy registration path. WTX-330, an IL-12 indukine, also shows promising anti-tumor activity, with a Phase 1b/2 update expected. With $65.7 million in cash as of Q3 2025, funding operations into Q4 2026, Werewolf has a crucial runway. While NASDAQ deficiency and insider sales present challenges, the strong clinical data and strategic partnerships could unleash explosive growth for Howl. Finally, we have Reviva Pharmaceuticals Holdings, Incorporated, ticker RVPH, a company focused on CNS, respiratory, and metabolic therapies, with its lead asset, brilaroxazine, for schizophrenia. Despite surging roughly 37% in early 2026, Reviva faces a near-term regulatory hurdle. The FDA is recommending a second Phase 3 trial, RECOVER-2, for brilaroxazine. This pushes potential NDA submission to late 2027 and commercialization to late 2028, causing a sharp market reaction and heavy selling. However, analysts like H.C. Wainwright maintains a buy rating with a $4 price target, viewing the FDA guidance as consistent with precedent. The company's existing Phase 3 RECOVER trial data already demonstrates broad-spectrum efficacy across 790 subjects and a generally well-tolerated safety profile. A European patent covering brilaroxazine for pulmonary fibrosis, an orphan drug indication, adds diversification. While securing $60 to $75 million to fund RECOVER-2 is critical and may lead to dilution, brilaroxazine's therapeutic potential and existing data position Reviva Pharmaceuticals for a significant rebound post-funding. Now, let's look at the raw numbers. What immediately jumps out is the stark difference in scale. Kosmos Energy, despite its sub-$1 stock price, is a considerable player with a robust $791 million market cap and an impressive $1.39 billion in annual revenue, offering a tangible revenue base that most of these microcap biotechs simply don't have. Its nearly 49% gross margin is solid for an energy firm, reflecting operational efficiency. In contrast, companies like Immunic, Werewolf, and Reviva Pharmaceuticals currently report no revenue, highlighting their pure-play, pipeline-dependent nature, where value is tied entirely to future clinical success and commercialization. Blink Charging sits in the middle with $106 million in revenue and a 30% gross margin, showcasing a company actively transforming its business model. Across the board, negative EPS figures are a common thread, from Kosmos's -0.69 to Werewolf's -1.62. This isn't necessarily a red flag for companies at this stage. It indicates heavy reinvestment into R&D, clinical trials, or infrastructure, essential for future growth. The challenge for investors is discerning which of these cash-burning endeavors will ultimately translate into blockbuster products or services. And these are 7 stocks under $1, each with unique catalysts positioning them for potential explosive growth by 2026. Which of these high-potential stocks do you believe has the strongest chance to deliver outsized returns? And why? Drop your insights, predictions, and any other under $1 gems you're watching in the comments section below. And click this video here for 6 low-price stocks to buy with high upside potential to further supercharge your portfolio.